what is the difference between manufacturer warranties and the extended service contracts and stuff like that?
Yeah, no, that's a good question. When you're purchasing a new vessel, it's going to come with some sort of a factory warranty or a manufacturer warranty. It is typically some sort of a limited type warranty that's provided by the factory or the manufacturer of your boat. With an extended service contract, it's much like it says, it's going to extend the coverage or be able to extend the coverage if you purchase the extended protection. But in addition to extending, it actually fills the gap of some of the factory warranties limitations.
Okay.
So it'll extend the coverage to a longer period of time, as well as sort of fill in the gaps in the early years while you still have the factory warranty.
Okay, excellent. And then you help walk me through all of that as well as a business manager?
Well, definitely. One of the things that, we've really tried to stress to our buyers is understanding the manufacturer's warranty to begin with. Many buyers are not aware that when the new boat, what it comes with is typically a separate coverage for the hull, the component of the boat, the generator, the trailer, the engine. There's a lot of different factory warranties that are on your new vessel. It's not just an all-encompassing 3 years or whatever it might be. So it's very select, and each component is different. So it's really key to understand what you're getting with your new boat. And then what we help do as a business manager in the business office is to really show how the extended protection can enhance your ownership. So different ways that, for example, the manufacturer warranties will typically cover a listed component if it's defective. They manufactured it. If it's defective, they'll continue to cover it. The plans that we have available also offer some very unique coverage, one of which is called wear protection. So if a listed component in the extended coverage fails because it just wore out or wear and tear, it'll continue to be covered, where the manufacturer would never be able to provide that for us, for our owners. They also offer something called non-defective engine breakdown, which is exactly like it says. It's a breakdown that would happen not because of a defective part, but perhaps maybe like just an event or a chain reaction of something that caused it. And if it falls within or is encompassed in that particular coverage, it would be continue to be covered through the length of the ownership or that plan. And what that basically means is that your factory warranty doesn't provide this coverage. These extended protections do. And so they really, in a lot of cases, supersede the factory in those early years. Okay,
that sounds like a no-brainer to me. So with the extended protection plans, do those function on an annual or 3-5 year rates, or is that just for the life of my boat? I'm paying monthly. This is my extended plan.
So we offer a couple of different extended plans, and you purchase them at the time of the boat purchase, which is what we highly recommend. There's some extreme benefits to purchasing at the time of the boat purchase. And when you do that, it's going to start or go into effect the day that you purchase the vessel. So whether you purchase it now or wait, it would go into effect the day that you purchase the vessel and be for the length of that plan. And we do have different plan lengths available. So depending on the customer's specific ownership needs, how long they think they might be having the boat, we can help customize or tailor that plan to best fit their needs. So that's kind of just as far as the different options that are available, and they would pay at the time of the purchase, the plan. That's one option. The other thing, though, that is beautiful about purchasing at the time of the boat purchase, there's some extreme benefits to that. First of all, like I said, the coverage, the wear and tear, and the non-defective, with those going into day one, your factory warranty doesn't cover those. So you're open to some risk by not having that, and you take advantage of that coverage immediately. And, so in addition to that, our Brunswick, who we use through our extended protection, they actually give our buyers an additional free year at the time of the boat purchase. So if you buy it when you buy the boat, you get a free year, which is amazing. So It's like, of course, so it's a 5-year and a 7-year plan, but when you buy it now, we're going to get 6 years and 8 years, just depending on which one you choose. So absolutely. So you pay for the 5-year, you get 6, you pay for 7, you get 8.
Right.
But kind of back to sort of what we were talking about, the ease and the payment and the cost, when you purchase it at the time of the boat purchase, we can actually roll it into your finance contract. So doesn't change your rate, doesn't change your term.
Wow.
It just marginally affects the new monthly payment because we're rolling it into the finance contract. So you actually don't have to come out of pocket with anything additional at the time of the boat purchase, but you get to take advantage of the coverage immediately.